Make $100 a day.
Make $100 a day.
Make $100 a day.
What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 7 websites to make $100 a day in 2020. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, I just came up with one more site here, so it's going to be more than just 7. So what you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video here, because I'm also going to share a few tips when I'm surfing around and showing you these sites here. So pay attention, watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information on how you can make $100 or even more with these 7 plus 8 websites probably. Alright, if you're interested also in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that you can have a look at when we finish the video here, of course. But for now, let's see how we can make $100 a day or even more with these 7, 8 or I don't know how many sites I'm going to show you here actually. Let's go! Okay, so the first site we are going to here is Flippa, flippa.com. I shared this in the past probably. What you can do here is you can actually create a website. If you don't have any skills, you don't have to worry, because what you can do is flip a website. You buy a website cheap and you sell it expensive. So this is an auction site more or less, but it's not only websites, okay? There is a lot more. They do have domains, for example. You can sort here. They do have apps also. Let's say, for example, that you are interested in an AdSense site here. Just to have a quick look here, you can see there was some sites there. You can actually sort here by monthly profit. So let's go for a site that sells, for example, for up to 100, that does $100 a month in profit. You can see here are some sites there. So what you can do is you can buy a site here, totally depends on your budget, work it a little bit, put some content in there, and you probably have increased the money there, the income for your site. So what you can do is, of course, you can sell it much higher price than you bought it, alright? So that is a quick way to make money. And maybe you don't even have to do anything at all actually. You might just purchase a site, a domain, and you might sell it for a higher price without doing anything at all. So have a look at the details here on flippa.com. Let's move on to something else here, and that is Kindle. Amazon Kindle is very popular. You can actually write your own book there, upload it and sell it on Kindle. It's super popular, very easy to do. You don't have to deal with writing if you don't want to. You can actually outsource it. Let me give you a site here. You can go to, let's say for example that you go to iWriter.com and hire a writer, alright? So you can do this option as well. So you can see that the possibilities are endless here, alright? I'm just came up with the idea right now. Outsource it here on iWriter. Then what you do is you are taking care of the rest of the details here. You upload it and you sell it on Kindle, alright? And you're making money with it. You can see here, look at the numbers. This has been sold, there are 1,400 reviews, so if you take that with $2, you can do this again and again, alright, all the time. It can be fiction, it can be diet, whatever you think you are good at or you think you have an expertise in. So as I said, if your budget allows it, you can actually go to a site like iWriter, have content written and post it here. Alright, so when we are talking about Amazon, there is also the affiliate marketing. affiliate marketing is one of the best ways actually to make money online, in my opinion, because you don't have to deal with creating products there. All you have to do is promote a link for the specific product. All right, so let's say for example you want to promote this product, you earn a commission. The commissions are anything from 5 up to 10% depending on the category and what product it is. But the cool thing is they do have something called a 24-hour cookie here, and that means that let's say for example that I buy this, but when I'm already on the Amazon site here, I want to purchase this basketball also. So you make a commission for that too. So anything I purchase within the 24 hours, when I got the affiliate link there, you make a commission of it. All right, I hope you understand what I'm talking about here. So that is also very nice, because I usually say that I have seen some commissions on products that I never promoted, and they are super nice extra income that you really don't expect to make money with. So that is about Amazon. All right, let's move on to something completely different here. You can go to a site like Adfly. Okay, just type Adfly on Google and you will get straight here. What you do with Adfly is you can actually grab, let's say for example that you grab Amazon's affiliate link or another affiliate link. All right, you register for an account here and you insert it here and you get your link shrinked. And whenever someone have a look at that link, you earn, they will see some Adfly advertising, and you can make money of that too. All right, so you might earn both on Adfly, and let's say that you promote an Amazon product, you can earn a commission of that too. And then of course you place your links on Facebook, Twitter or more. Alright, so there you have it about Adfly. Create an account, shrink the link there, and make sure you spread it out, promote that link, and you make some money with it. Alright, let's move on to something else, and that is Clickbank. Now Clickbank is the largest network, very easy to sign up with, almost worldwide. Alright, there are some countries that I know they don't allow those countries anymore, but in most of the countries it is allowed, and this probably, as I said, is not the number one affiliate network regarding digital products, at least, because they do have books, videos, tutorials on almost any niche that you can think of. All right, you can see here the categories: green products, home and garden, parenting, politics, self-help, software. So let's say for example we go to the e-business and e-marketing here. You can see here the most popular now is CB University, and you can make $304 for one purchase here. Okay, so you grab just a link here, and what you do is you can see here it generates a really long ugly link. So use Adfly as I showed you earlier here, or you can go to a site like Bitly, a link shortener, to actually shorten that link. And what you need to do is promote that link. Now there are tons of ways that you can promote. All right, so let me give you a quick example here. Let's go to YouTube. I usually recommend this product. Is a good one which has been sold for years now. Is a guaranteed product to make money with. You can see here Ted's woodworking review. All right, so if you have a look at the top here, 80,000 views, 30,000 views, 25,000 views, I can guarantee you that these people here, they have definitely made some good commissions on this during those years now. So what you do here, actually, you're probably saying now, okay, there is competition. So what you need to do is you have to stand out. All right, so what you can do is, for example, new for 2020. All right, so when I see this, I know that this is a totally new review, and this has been made for 2020, for example. That means that there is less competition. I know that there is already someone who has done this. All right, you see here, and these are affiliate links. The videos are very easy to create, actually. Tons of ways I showed you in the past. If you have a look around here on my channel, you can find out how easy it is to create a video You don't have to be in the front of the camera. You don't even have to talk if you don't want to. I showed videos here where people just take some screenshots, some pictures, and they do a montage of this and they upload the video with the music or something like that. And then, of course, you need to have your affiliate link here. Now they use TinyCC. This is a link shortener. I do prefer Bitly if you want to go that route. Or Adfly, maybe you can do that too also, but go for Bitly to be sure, so you don't have any issues here with YouTube. Also make sure that you do a good description in here. All right, so let's open this up here. I don't know what this is.
Ted's Woodworking Review. Ever wanted to create woodworking projects easily and quickly? I just came across a website, Ted's Woodworking, with over 16,000...
Okay, this was a robotic voice. I can tell that within seconds. I have been working with voiceovers. We have created well over 20,000 commercials with my team together, so I can smell when it is a robotic voice. So this has been done with the software. You see how easy it is, all right? Make sure it is a good description. Yes, this is a good description also. And there are some tactics like adding tags here. You can see, look at this, Ted's Woodworking Review. This person is ranking on the second place here for it. But you can outrank it definitely, alright? There are tons of ways, as I said earlier here. So this was just one idea, and you can do this with Amazon products. The more specific, if it is a camera with a specific name or something like that, it is easier to rank for it. You can just put in 2020 and then change that next year when it's 2021, for example. Alright, let's move on to something else here. This is Wario Plus. Wario Plus has a lot of digital products, mainly in the make money online niche. Alright, and it is a low, I would say low entry actually products here. So it can be anything from $1-2 up to $12-13. So it's easier to sell these kind of products here. Alright, so you can have a look at the top products today. For example, you have here Bill Hugel with leverage. We have Kevin Fahey for commission 5, for example, and so on here. So you can have a look at the products there, or you can go as an affiliate when you have created your account and search for offers here. All right, so let's see here if I go down a little bit. There you go. So you can see here tons of ways and opportunities. You can have a look at all of the details here by just click on these links here. Have a look at the products, have a look at the details here, the conversion rates. It should be with a low refund rate. Keep that in mind also. If it is a high refund rate, this for example is not so good. All right, so keep that in mind. So it's not so good because you will get a lot of refunds and bad reputation actually if you not promote a good product. So keep that in mind also. Alright, let's move on to something else here, and we are going to the Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com, this is probably the most popular freelance sites. You can find anything regarding freelance services here, and you can even purchase some digital products if you want to. Let's say for example we go for logo. So you might be good at creating logos. Create an account here. Look at this, it's not only $5, definitely not. All right, you see here I will design a standout logo, and this is in euros, approximately around $100. So by just creating one logo, if you're good at that, you have your $100 a day definitely. Now of course you need to work here and promote yourself a little bit. Get started low in the beginning so you can get some good reputation, and then you can increase the price there. All right, or you can have a few different services actually, so you don't have to do only logo. You can do for example video editing. I don't know, I'm just typing here. I mean I'm doing video editing for example. You can see here, look at this, 123 euros. All right, so definitely easy to get started and make your $100 a day with video editing for example. Now I have my course I created, which is audio video mastery. I show you everything inside, even if you're totally new actually to this. All right, so The opportunities are endless here. All right, let's move on to something else here. We have Upwork, pretty similar to Fiverr. These they do actually charge per hour here. So I just have a look at. Let's go for video edit. Okay, let's scroll. Have a look at it here. All right, you're saying $60 per hour, $40, $100 per hour. For 1 hour, this person has actually made her $100 a day. So, I mean, get started with this as soon as possible. Sell yourself a bit low. When you have a good reputation, you can increase the price. Alright, let's move on to some extras here. Some extras could be, you could be doing some tutoring, teaching English online, for example. You can earn up to $22 per hour. With 5 hours of tutoring, you have passed the $100 per day. Alright? Or you can go, for example, as a virtual assistant. Let's say, for example, you want to work with a call center, and you can see here that you can earn, for example, $16 per hour, fully remote, $20 per hour, so 5 hours and you have your $100 a day there. So virtual assistant jobs, you can search for anything you want here. I just typed call center, I just came up with it here real quick. So as you could see, 7 plus, I think I shared 2 more sites there, 9 sites that you can make $100 a day. Now, as I said in the beginning, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below on how you can make a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, so make sure you check that out. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below, I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find an end screen here now with another Make Money Online video recommendation that you can have a look at. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.